exciting array of themed attractions. Our first stop is the Trick Eye Museum. This museum implements augmented reality onto art installations. Get away, Cupids, it's not Valentine's Day yet. Let me rescue you before the lady eats your head, brother. Look, I'm a butterfly. Pull me up, brother. Hey, where did the graphics go? For some reason, we always seem to be getting into trouble at this museum. We have joined the circus. Brother, open the gates of hell. Everybody is kung fu fighting. Did you know I had the skill to climb a bamboo tree? You guys, I'm not a vampire. Giddy up, horsey. Somebody get me down. Close one. Jump off the crocodile, brother. This looks like the DreamWorks logo. Our time here has come to an end. We had an awesome time at the Trick Eye Museum. We're taking the Sentosa monorail to our next destination. Now we're going to ride the cable car. Wait, this is fun! And here we go. We're going to soar through the sky on the most scenic highway in Singapore. How come Los Angeles doesn't have this? This is the coolest thing ever. You can just ride it. It could be the blue line. You can see downtown from here. Whee! We're at Fort Siloso. Built in the late 19th century, this is the only preserved coastal fort in Singapore. First, let's take the elevator up to the skywalk. Brother is pretending that he can fly. What a great view from up here, but don't look down if you're afraid of heights. Now we're walking the treetop trail, which is set 11 stories above the ground. We're climbing up to the command tower. Next, we're stepping into the Tunnel C complex. This is an underground section showing the soldiers working in the magazine. We're going on the gun trail, a tour around the different types of guns and cannons on display at the fort. Lastly, we're at the living quarters for the soldiers to see their daily activities. We're hopping back on the cable car. Ding ding! Next station, Mbaya Lookout Station. Our next stop is the Sentosa Nature Discovery. This is a gallery of interactive exhibits. We're pressing the buttons to hear the sounds of animals. This is all of them come back. Oh, I did almost done. We're going to hike the Mbaya Trail. Opened in the 1970s, this trail snakes around Mount Mbaya, breaking the summit at 65 meters above sea level. We saw some strange plants and insects. Then we found the first of 3 waterfalls. I spotted a giant ant. Look at that!
It's big.
So we reach waterfall number 2. I'm trying to avoid all the little bugs on the ground. Finally, we've reached the 3rd waterfall, the Rock Dragon. That was so much fun. Now we're going on the Mount Faber line to our next destination. We're not going to get off at this stop because the line was way too long if we were to come back. Stay tuned for part 2.